Hello, welcome to the University of Texas Health Science Center at Houston. My name is Bob Emery. I'm over the Office of Safety, Health, Environment, and Risk Management, and also the originator of the EHS Academy. And this is a course that we developed 27 years ago to get people oriented first on how universities work, and then to successfully operate safety programs within this very unique environment. This course became so popular that the University of Texas system has actually adopted it as its boot camp. And since then, many other universities have been sending people. We've actually had attendees from around the world. It's a 40-hour course, but it covers things from soup to nuts with regard to health and safety in the university environment. And you may ask yourself, why in the world would it be? We have numbering for this academy, and it's because the course is actually taught in this building, which is in the shadow of the football stadium here, which has hosted 2 Super Bowls. So we thought it was appropriate that we name it with Roman numerals. So feedback from the course has been very positive. People have been quite successful in furthering their programs after coming to this boot camp class. So I encourage you to check it out, see the information on the website, and come to Houston.